You know that feeling when you're talking to a Russian speaker and at some point you didn't catch what they said? When that happens, it's crucial to quickly ask for a repeat. Let me share with you 6 essential Russian phrases for this exact moment. All 6 phrases will be of a different level, from A1 to B1. So you can choose the one for your level, or if you already know some of these phrases, you can choose another one just to try something new. At first, let's look at all 6 phrases at once. First, without any explanation and without any translation. Повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. Вы говорите слишком быстро. Простите, я вас не понимаю. Простите, я вас не понял. Простите, я вас не поняла. Я не знаю, что значит это слово. Вы не могли бы повторить еще раз? Извините, я не расслышал. Извините, я не расслышала. And now let's go through all these phrases one by one with explanation and translation. The first phrase is повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. Повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. Repeat, please, slower. Repeat, повторите, I used in the imperative form. Repeat, do that, please. In this situation, повторите is used in the formal form. When you're talking to a person that you don't know, or they're older than you, or you just want to be respectful in this conversation. Повторите. If that's a person that you already know, if that's your friend, or just a person with whom you're talking informally, you could change it to повтори. Повтори, пожалуйста, помедленнее. Пожалуйста, everything is clear, just please. And the last one, помедленнее. Помедленнее comes from the adjective медленный. Медленный, slow, slower, медленнее, and a little bit slower, помедленнее. Повторите, пожалуйста, медленнее, or повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. It's almost the same. What word is missing? Повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. The second one is вы говорите слишком быстро. Вы говорите слишком быстро. You speak too fast. Вы говорите слишком быстро. Again, that's a formal conversation. Вы говорите. If you want to make it informal, you will say ты. Ты говоришь слишком быстро. A great word to use, слишком. Too, way too. Too fast, too quickly. Grammatically, the rest of the phrase is quite clear and easy. Find an odd word in a sentence. Вы говорите слишком быстро. Translate into Russian. Повторите, пожалуйста, помедленнее. The third one phrase, but a few options. Простите, я вас не понимаю. Простите, я вас не понимаю. I'm sorry, I don't understand you. Я вас не понимаю. Again, я вас не понимаю. I don't understand you. In Russian, word order can be weird for English mind. We could put вас at the end, same as in English. Я не понимаю вас. Or we can say it like this. Я вас не понимаю. There is no difference in Russian. Вас is staying in the accusative form. Простите, again, that's a formal way of excuse me, I'm sorry. If you want an informal way of saying it, you will just say прости. If you want to use the whole phrase informally, you will replace вас with тебя. Прости, я тебя не понимаю. Then, this phrase we used in the present tense. What if you want to say it in the past tense? I didn't understand you, like I didn't get what you just said, I didn't catch it. You'll replace понимаю with понял if you're a man and поняла if you're a woman. Простите, я вас не понял. Or простите, я вас не поняла. What word is missing? Простите, я вас не понимаю. Choose the correct option. Вы говорите слишком быстро. Number 4. Moving to the next level. A2. Я не знаю, что значит это слово. Я не знаю, что значит это слово. I don't know what this word means. Что значит? What means? Что это значит? What does it mean? Что значит это слово? This word means. Literally we say, I don't know what means this word. Choose the correct option. Я не знаю, что значит это слово. Translate into Russian. Вы говорите слишком быстро. Then number 5. Вы не могли бы повторить еще раз. Вы не могли бы повторить еще раз? Could you repeat it one more time? It's a little bit more complicated because I used a conditional here. Вы не могли бы, could you. This бы always introduces a condition. Could you, it's not can you, it's could you, more polite. Вы не могли бы повторить еще раз. Again, вы не могли, formal version. Ты не мог бы, if you're talking to a man, and ты не могла бы, if you're talking to a woman. Повторить еще раз, two words together, еще раз, one more time. The word еще has a lot of meanings, but in this word combination, еще раз, it means one more time. What word is missing? Вы не могли бы повторить еще раз? Find an odd word in a sentence. Я не знаю, что значит это слово. And the last one, B1 level. Извините, я не расслышал. Извините, я не расслышал. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. This word расслышал. It's kind of a B1 level simply because of this prefix. The only difference between these two verbs, расслышать and услышать, услышать, it's like to hear the whole thing. So if you say, I didn't hear you, like completely, я не услышал, will be correct. But if you didn't catch just some word, some sound, maybe the ending, you could say that. Я не расслышал. So I didn't hear just some part of what you just said. Again, я не расслышал. If you're a man, if you're a woman, we change it to feminine form by adding a to the end. Извините, я не расслышала. Translate into Russian. Извините, я не расслышал. Let's imagine the situation. You're talking to me, I'm a Russian native, and I'm casually speaking and I'm asking you. Кстати, что ты делал на выходных? Probably you didn't catch what I just said, because I said it exactly like a native would say it. I said it fast, using some slang way of speaking. Try to ask me for a repeat by using any of the new phrases that you just learned. And if you caught what I've just said, write it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it.